Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll work with menu scene. That means we'll add menu into our game. If you not seen before videos, the link was available in description. You can find all the videos, and by seeing these videos you can develop a game at last. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing. So in before tutorial we worked with how to add scenes into our game, and we created a new scene also, and we added and we worked it. So in this tutorial we'll work with menu scene. So mainly we'll create a menu for our game. So for that already we created two scenes, and go to scenes you can see I created like two scenes, which is sample scene and game over scene. Now I want to create a new scene, that is menu scene. Just make it as control N, and you can see this is a menu scene. So if you want to work with menu, we want to create a UI, just go to UI and create a text mesh pro button, and you can see the button here, and make this one button is you can make that is in menu scene we are having like two buttons, like right, which is play gameplay, just play the button, and otherwise quit the button. So I'll make this one as a play, and you can see, and just this button just set alt shift and make this one as middle of the game, and you can see that middle. So now you need to change the text in that button. Just go to here and change the text, which name as a play button. So play, and increase the size to 34. So you can see it's not bad. And if you want to increase this one, and just increase the size of this, yes, it's not bad now. And same you can increase the size of, yes, now it's good. Like, so same this one, just copy this one, and you can add the colors to the button if you want, and you can add like normal color like red. Oh sorry, I think white is better. And highlight the color, just make it as yellow. So if I play, it's like a highlights. If I press the button, you get like a blue, just make it as blue. So we'll work on that how it was seeing, just observe that. So just normal color is like white, right? So if I go here, you can see the color was changes to yellow, because I have given here highlighted color is red. So if I press, the color was changing to blue, right? So it's nice, right? So same, like, just give to, just copy this one and paste it here, and make it as quick. So rename it as quit. So, and go to here and make it as quit. So yes, we done. So just drag this button and drop here. Yes. So two buttons, it's nice, right? First of all, we need to create a script. So if I click this button, automatically I'll go to what we can say, I want to play my game. If I quit, my application should quit. So for that, I'll write a script. Just go to script and create a new script and name it as menu script. And you can name it as menu script. Yes, of course, our script was created. My task is, if I play the button, of course it was not open. So you can see. So first of all, I need to import my package, that is using Unity Engine dot scene management. So I want to create two public functions. So just create a public function, just make it as public void. So gameplay. So in this gameplay, we need to load the scene, right? So just make it as scene manager dot. So load scene. So sample scene, right? Sample scene. You need to check the spelling, then only it will work. So go to scenes and check the spelling of that. Yes, of course, sample scene correct. Sample scene. Yes. Next, just control S, and next one is just make another function, make it as public void quit. So quit here scene manager dot, no, we can't, we nothing to write, just make it as application dot quit, and better to make it as quit game. So just control S, and now just add this script to canvas. Yes, just go here, add component, just add the script is menu. Yes, of course we added. So we added the script to canvas. Now just go the play the button and just press this on click in button, right? And just drag this canvas and drop here, and you can see no function. Go to menu script and we need to gameplay, right? So click this one, and same like just go to quit and just press this button, and you can add the canvas and just go to menu button and quit game, right? So thrust, just now we need to load, right? Just go to control shift B, build settings. So it's an, we need hierarchy, you can see 0 1 2. So 0 1, right? So here we need to create like hierarchy. So just I'll remove this one. If you delete automatically, it's delete, you can do like this. First of all, just save this one, just save this one, and saves in scene, that is the menu scene. So make it as a menu scene. Yes, of course my scene was saved. And now just go to control shift B, that is the build settings. And first of all we need to drag the menu settings, because when you are playing the game you'll get a menu, right? So next one is sample scene, and next one is game over scene. The hierarchy is very important. Now just close the game and just play here, and how it was working we can see here. So did you observe that? So just play here. Yes, of course, we are working. So yes, not bad, it's working. So my game over. It's okay. So we done, and now if I quit the button, and you can see, trust me, here not it will work here, because if I quit, it's not work here. So when you build the game, definitely it will quit the game. So for that it's working or not, we can check here. Is it working or not? That's like debug dot log quit. So is it printing or not? We can check here how it was working. So make it as a quit game. Just make it as game buzz over, whatever it may be. So just make this one. Just control S and go here, and how it was working. See. So if I press this click, you can see it's working, right? So when you build the game, definitely it will work, right? So here we are working in Unity, that's why it's not showing. So we created a menu screen and menu script, of course, and while working I want to create more things, like just go here and just play the button. Yes. So here I want to create like so if I my game was over, so I want to get like button which is play game. So I want to do that and just maximize this one, and just open this scene, game over scene. I want to get game button scene, right? So open menu scene and just go here, that is play again. Just copy here and open the script and just paste it here. Just it should be child, right? So here we need to get like play again. So just play again. So of course the script, just click this one and increase the size like this. Yes, of course it's nice. And now here we need to add the script. Of course you just go to canvas and add menu script. So add menu script, and we need to add another one is also, that is just control S and go to main script, that is play. Also we need to get quit also. So just control C and go to here. So just go to game, just control paste it here. So I think you are not able to see, right? Where this one? Okay, leave this one and just go here and just copy this, copy paste it, and yes, we are there here. So play again and quit also. So make this one as quit. So go to text mesh and quit. So make rename as quit and play again. Yes. So now we need to add the canvas, the script, menu script we added. So play again. So just drag this one and drop here. So just menu, we need to gameplay. Sorry, we need to go to gameplay. So just go to script and just drag this one. We should get like quit game. So of course now how it was working we can see here. Oh, first of all I need to just control S and make this one and just working. Just play here. So my timer, yes. So play again. Yes, it's working fine. So I think this is all about menu creation. Quit. Of course, it's not work. I already shown, but it's printing in console. Yes, I think it's nice, right? So we'll work with pause and resume buttons also. I'll come with another video. So while playing the game, so you can see here while playing the game, I can pause, I can resume my game. So we'll work, and until then, wait for next tutorial.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to